Next minute I am in, I don't know, Thailand, Hong Kong, Italy, Switzerland. Then I'll take a trip to Mexico, and then I'm back, all in within maybe 30 minutes, right? You could enjoy 5 minutes in each place. Oh no, oh no. Reality. Why do people hate reality? Because of this. Look at this, look at this. Stuck in traffic, stuck in traffic. What's not to love about reality, right? What's not to love? This is cool, look. They have 99 all over this thing. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Lucky 99. 9999. Until infinity and beyond. What is this guy doing? I don't know. I'm gonna get back in this lane. No, I'm not, because he's going.
Likey